Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss the term stanza. Introduction. The stanza, derived from the Italian word for stopping place, is a fundamental aspect of poetic structure encompassing the arrangement of verse lines in a poem. Typically, stanzas are separated by spaces in the printed text and characterized by a recurring pattern of rhyme as well as a uniformity in the number and lengths of lines. While some poems lack rhyme but are still divided into stanzaic units, others exhibit varied line lengths with stanzas. This video delves into the significance of stanzas in English poetry, highlighting various stanza forms and their impact on poetic expression. Diversity of stanza forms. The richness of English poetry lies in its diverse stanza forms, each offering a unique structure that adds depth to the poetic composition. While many stanza forms are not officially named and are described based on line numbers, metrical feet, and rhyme patterns, certain stanzas have earned recognizable names due to their frequent use. The couplets. One such form is the couplet, consisting of two rhymed lines of equal length. An example of this is the octosyllabic couplet featuring 8 syllables usually arranged in 4 iambic feet. An illustrious poem utilizing this form is Andrew Marvell's To His Coy Mistress. Another widely recognized form is the tercet or triplet, a stanza of 3 lines with a single rhyme. The lines in a tercet can be of the same length or vary in length, as seen in Richard Crawshaw's Wishes to His Supposed Mistress. Terza rima. Terza rima, composed of interlinked tercets, each joined to the following one by a common rhyme, presents a captivating pattern ABA, BEB, EDE, and so on. This form was employed by Dante in his Divine Comedy and later by poets like Shelley, Milton, Browning, and T.S. Eliot. The quatrain. The quatrain, a 4-line stanza, is the most commonly used in English poetry, boasting diverse meters and rhyme schemes. The ballad stanza, alternating between 4 and 3-foot lines ABEB or ABAB, is a well-known quatrain. Meanwhile, the heroic quatrain in iambic pentameter and rhyming ABAB is beautifully exemplified in Thomas Gray's Elegy Written in a Country Churchyard. Rhyme royale and octarima. Rhyme royale, introduced by Chaucer, features 7 lines of iambic pentameter rhyming ABA, BB, CC. Notable poets including Shakespeare in A Lover's Complaint have utilized this stanza. Another captivating form is ottava rima, with 8 lines rhyming ABA, BA, BCC. Byron demonstrated its effectiveness in Don Juan. The Spenserian stanza. The Spenserian stanza, devised by Edmund Spenser for The Faerie Queene, is a 9-line form featuring 8 iambic pentameter lines followed by an Alexandrine iambic hexameter line rhyming AB, A, BB, CB, CC. Keats, Shelley, and Tennyson, among others, successfully employed this stanza in their works. Several elaborate stanza forms such as rondeau, villanelle, and triolet exhibit intricate repetitions of rhymes and lines. These forms have experienced a revival by poets like Auden, Emerson, and others in the mid-20th century. The sestina. The sestina is one of the most complex poetic forms, consisting of 6-line stanzas where the end words of the first stanza are repeated in a specific order in subsequent stanzas. The poem concludes with a 3-line envoi incorporating all 6 end words. Despite its difficulty, poets like Sir Philip Sidney, Algernon Swinburne, W.H. Auden, and John Asherby have skillfully navigated this form. Conclusion. In conclusion, the stanza plays a pivotal role in shaping the structure and impact of a poem. English poetry's versatility lies in its diverse stanza forms, each offering distinct patterns and potential for poetic expression. The thoughtful selection of a stanza form can enhance the poem's meaning, flow, and aesthetic appeal, creating a lasting impact on the reader. So this was the discussion on the term stanza. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes and MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes for UGC NET for English literature very soon. So stay connected with us.